The Blackview Color 8 looks nothing like your typical Blackview phone. Rather than being rigid, it sports a sleek, modern and premium finish but still offers a good balance between durability, performance and battery life. To start off, it features a massive 6.75-inch IPS LCD display with a 90Hz refresh rate that ensures smooth scrolling and a responsive touch. Its screen bezels are relatively slim and is perfect for watching videos, playing games and browsing through the web. In regards to performance, the Color 8 runs on the Tiger T616 processor, which handles everyday tasks with ease. This is backed with 8 gigs of RAM, 256 GB of storage that provide ample space for your apps, photos and videos. The battery capacity might just be the best feature on this phone. It runs on a massive 6000 mAh battery that ensures long-lasting performance and supports 18 watts fast charging that gets you up and running in no time. The camera setup is also decent. It features a 50 megapixel primary camera that captures good photos, especially in good lighting conditions. For videos, it has HDR support and records up to 1080p at 30 FPS. While it might not be the most powerful phone in the market, it's a solid choice for everyday use and goes for only 15,500 Kenyan shillings to 17,500 Kenyan shillings.